What's the meaning of blood sausage? Blood sausage. Blood sausage.
Blood sausage. Blood sausage. Blood sausage, also known as black pudding or blood pudding, is a type of sausage made by cooking animal blood with a filler until it solidifies. The filler can vary depending on the region, but typically includes ingredients such as meat, fat, bread crumbs, and spices. The resulting sausage has a dark color and a distinct spongy texture. Blood sausage is commonly eaten in European countries such as Germany, France, Spain, and the United Kingdom. It is often served for breakfast or as a part of a traditional meal. Despite its popularity, some people may find the idea of eating blood unappetizing.